Go.
according to what we want and of not of entering a job or a responsibility that we cannot manage well. And I therefore conclude that if Sangguniang Kabataan was abolished, the government can save a lot of money because because 10% of the funds that comes to barangay will go to youth council. And because at a young age, we should accept the fact that our politics in our government is not good. And at a young age, the mentality of the youth will affect and destroy.
Good morning to all of you. Please lend me your ears. And Sangguniang Kabataan. What do you think is the importance of Sangguniang Kabataan? Sir Reolada. What? The importance of Sangguniang Kabataan.
Importance of the teenager like us to
what about saying there is no importance about Sangguniang Kabataan? Please raise your hand. It has no importance to the government. You are all wrong for that matter. You need the hope of the motherland. It is the message that Jose Rizal leaves us. Politics is a big world, a world of butchers, a world of cruelty and the predators. Our SK is one of those concepts that it changes the whole world of the politics. The concept of the Sangguniang Kabataan is to change and to inspire. Maybe some of you didn't realize that SK is making some projects that lessen the problems of the even social or small community, like engaging them to the social curricular activities like basketball, badminton, and other maybe the community service or something. Maybe some of you didn't appreciate it, but it makes a lot of difference in the whole community or